Right now, all the way in Battery City, the little children raise their open, filthy palms like tigers.